Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Mama Mboga interrupted William Ruto's speech during the burial ceremony of Kelvin Kiptum. When the Mama Mboga rushed to the podium where William Ruto was standing, giving his speech, it was so shocking, and even William Ruto was shocked as he was just watching restlessly and even directing the security how to handle the Mama Mboga who was interrupting his speech. I want you to watch what happened during the burial as William Ruto was giving his speech. Ladies and gentlemen, when William Samoei Ruto was campaigning, he came very clear that the government he was going to form was a government of Mama Mboga. And as Azimio was speaking about Mandela moment, they were speaking about Mama Mboga moment. As Azimio was speaking about the positions, they were speaking about changing the economy. And William Ruto was so robust, and even if Mama Mboga coming out to interrupt his speech restlessly, and you know people are so disappointed, even his backyard, they're so disappointed. And remember, William Ruto was so robust and clear saying this.
Theirs is about the Mandela moment. Ours is about the Mama Mboga moment. Theirs is about changing the constitution. We are about changing the economy. Theirs is about sharing power. We are about the empowerment of every citizen.
So the question is, when a Mama Mboga is rushing towards the podium where William Ruto is standing, what is the signal there? The signal is, it doesn't mean that the Mama Mboga was going to beg for money. But surely he is, or rather, she is representing a bigger percentage of Mama Mbogas who are so devastated, frustrated, blackmailed on the street. As William Ruto used them as a tool after getting what he was looking for, he has forgotten the Mama Mboga. I remember a certain Mama Mboga from Kiambu even campaigned for William Ruto. During the verification and also giving William Ruto the certificate by IEBC, the Mama Mboga was there. And this Mama Mboga was so robust.
Mimi mwana Mboga kutoka Kiambu Kagagi Market. Wakubwa wengi sana wananijua hapa sicheki. Akikuletea nyoko niletee. Nilianza biashara kidogo na 5,000 na ilikuwa ya mkopo. Na hii mkopo the first point wanatulipisha bei kali sana. Ikiwa kama ni 5,000 huyo John ameshindwa na kujibu. Ikiwa tunalipizwa sio hata kama ni mandere, kama ni 5,000 wanatulipisha 200 per day. Sindio? Kama ni 10,000 350 per day. Sini kweli wana biashara? Hiyo ni percent ya nini? Almost 40%. Sini kweli? Wanatufinyiria ama hawatufinyiri? Better to speak the reality. Bila woga. Kwa wadia nafle David, tunakuomba kwanza utuangalilie upande ya mkopo hawa wanatukopesa. Wanatufinyiria sana. Na ukichelewa na kulipa, anakuja kwako direct. Ana na kudirect. Usitoke kwa barabara kama hutalipa. You are not
So, ladies and gentlemen, I think for me, I might have a lot of judgment, but William Ruto has disappointed Mama Mboga and border people. We never knew that Aisha Juma was Mama Mboga. Alice Waume was Mama Mboga. Florence Bore was a Mama Mboga. I knew that cabinet ministers were going to be Mama Mboga. That is the language these people say. Even if they were talking about parable, they were parabolic. That it was not showing, or rather, they never meant that Mama Mboga were going to be the cabinet ministers. They were going to assist William Ruto to build the government. But though after they have built the government, you want to tell me they are still stabilizing the economy, and already they have failed, and the Mama Mboga, they are busy, frustrated in the streets. When William Ruto campaigned 2022, he told this Mama Mboga and border people that, look, I have an agenda. An agenda is to ensure that you're going to have loans. And these loans, as William Ruto started something called Hustler Fund. And this Hustler Fund was going to absolutely make Mama Mboga to borrow money without an interest. We never knew this issue of 8% interest of Hustler Fund annually, even despite it is so little than other share loans. But it is an interest. That is the first thing that William Ruto betrayed this Mama Mboga with. But now, despite of that interest, where is that loan? Even if Mama Mboga can get and pay 8% annually, where is that loan? A loan that you're being given 600, 500, and you promised Mama Mboga that you can access 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, then you start coming up with propaganda. And this behavior of Kenya Kwanza coming to say that they are literally stabilizing the economy, it is a lie. These people are just having the agenda. I saw a certain news yesterday that Rigathi Gachagwa's office is having 10 million curtains. 10 million. Not that 10 million. The prices of the curtains in Rigathi Gachagwa's current home is 10 million. The price is 10 million. No wonder the resident of Rigathi Gachagwa is going to be repaired worth 600 million Kenyan shillings. And when you look at the budget that has been allocated to William Ruto's status, it is so shocking. So for me, what I know, William Ruto betrayed Mama Mboga. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Drop your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video.